Japanese lesson number 5, talking about time. In this lesson, you'll learn how to ask for and tell the time in Japanese. Knowing how to talk about time is essential for daily conversations, whether you're scheduling meetings or asking for directions. Key vocabulary. Use time with jikan, jikan. 2. What time is it? Nanji desu ka? Nanji desu ka? Nanji desu ka? Start an hour. Zeit. 4. Minute, fen, hun, pun. Fun, pun. Telling the time. To tell the time in Japanese, use the structure. Hour 是 nenzo minute fen, fun pun. Hours 是 1 o'clock, ishi, ichiji, ichiji. 2 o'clock 是 niji, niji. 3 o'clock 三时, sanji, sanji. 4 o'clock 四时, yoji, yoji. 5 o'clock 五时, goji, goji. 6 o'clock 六时, rokuji, rokuji. 7 o'clock 七时, shichiji, shichiji. 8 o'clock 八时, hachiji, hachiji. 12 o'clock 就是9時, 9時. 10 o'clock 仕事10時, 10時. 11 o'clock 次し11時, 11時. 20 o'clock 6時, 12時, 12時. Minutes, fen. 1 minute, 1分, 1分, 1分. 2 minutes, 2分, 2分, 2分. 3 minutes, 3分, 3分, 3分. 4 minutes, 4分, 4分, 4分. 5 minutes, 5分, 5分, 5分. 2 minutes, 10分, 10分, 10分. Examples. 1. It's 3:15. Japanese. 3時15分です. Pronunciation. 3時15分です. 2. It's 8:30. Japanese. 8時半です. Pan harfu. Pronunciation. 8時半です. 3. What time is it now? Japanese. 今何時ですか? 今何時ですか? Pronunciation. 今何時ですか? Translation. What time is it now? Useful time phrases. 1. Now jin ima ima. 2. Morning jau asa asa. 3. Afternoon uho gogo gogo. 4. Evening wan ban ban. 5. Night ye yoru yoru. Practice exercise. 1. Write the following in Japanese. 3 por dier. Dans le 7:30. 2. Practice asking and answering. What time is it now? It's 9:15.